Hi, welcome to the School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. I'm Amit and I'll be bringing you around today. Come on, let's go! First up, we have the Aerospace Engineering Hub. This hub supports the Diploma in Aerospace Electronics curriculum. The hub houses the 4,660 square meter state-of-the-art aircraft training facilities, with 4 aircraft and 2 full-size A320 cockpit flight simulators to provide an authentic aircraft training experience. The hub also has the official industry support of SC Engineering Aerospace as our training partners, providing our students an advantage in the maintenance, repair and overhaul industry. For those aspiring to be an aircraft pilot, unmanned aircraft pilot, or pursue a career in aviation management, this course offers various electives for you to pursue your passions. This is the 5G and Artificial Intelligence of Things Center. This technology hub aims to grow Singapore's 5G ecosystem and drive adoption for both 5G and AIoT by partnering enterprises in their digital transformation journey. Here, we hope to be able to provide training, technical consultations, and seminars in the areas of AI, IoT, embedded systems applications, smart devices, wireless applications, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data analytics. Welcome to the Technology to Business Hub, which supports the Diploma in Engineering with Business curriculum. This is where students can develop their capabilities in technology entrepreneurship. They are shown the process of developing, evaluating, and exploiting opportunities provided by existing and emerging technologies and turning them into potentially viable businesses. This is also a collaborative space for startups where students can network with like-minded entrepreneurs and venture into businesses with mentorship provided by successful alumni and industry partners. We're here at our last stop, the Robotics, Automation and Control Hub. This hub mainly supports the robotics and control specialization of Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Here, we aim to develop automation and robotic solutions to meet emerging industries 4.0 need for the manufacturing industry in Singapore. The hub focuses on developing capability in technologies such as autonomous robots, collaborative robots, big data analytics, augmented reality, industry Internet of Things, and horizontal and vertical integration. The hub is involved in many robotic competitions and projects in collaboration with the industry and research institutions. Examples are smart workflow solutions, mobile robot, and autonomous underwater robots. In fact, our students have participated and won in RoboCup and World School competitions over the years. All my personal experiences in EEE so far have been nothing short of amazing. All the special labs for learning and special equipment like the A320 flight simulator has made learning so much more engaging. All my lecturers have been really supportive of me, and all in all, I can't wait to see all of you in EEE next year.